I have the most annoying hiccups of my life. It's starting to get really fucking annoying. That was a hick burp. We're going. Whoo! I'm really just getting tired. Tired now. It's been like 3 hours with the fucking hiccups. And they're forceful. It's like, Jesus Christ. I'm tired. I didn't eat anything particularly odd. Just, you know. I'm sitting here with the fucking hiccups. We can go to bed. I tried to hold in the breath thing. I tried to. There's nobody really around to scare me. If I want to be scared, all I'll do is fucking think of my fucking job, which I hate that shit. But till then, I sit here with the hiccups. Jay Allen told me once that if I hold my breath for like 2 seconds, and then I count to 3 for 3 seconds, and then 4, and then 5, that shit didn't work. So, it's whatever. Sitting here with the fucking hiccups. Sons of bitches. It's getting late. It's really getting late. I got a lot to do tomorrow. Everybody thinks I sit around and don't do nothing. But it's not true. I do a lot, I think. It's goddamn hiccups. Now the cat's up. This ought to be a fucking treat. Yeah, what the fuck? Yes, kitty, I see you. What's up with the hiccups, kitty? You little cunt. Huh? Why don't you suck these hiccups out of my ass? Huh?